This is a restaurant class meal that you can make at home. It's full of fresh flavors and grilled salmon that will leave you wanting more. So first, let's make the salsa. Into a bowl, add in 1 large mango that I've peeled and diced, followed by 1 large avocado, again, peeled and diced. Next up, I'm adding in 1 large red bell pepper or capsicum, which again I've diced up, and then place in 1/2 of a red onion, finely diced. I also add in 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro or coriander and follow up with the juice of 1/2 lime. I drizzle about 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and then season very lightly with salt and pepper. Now mix everything around really well. These flavors just scream summer, so it's light and the colors are really vibrant. So leave this to one side and let's get started on the salmon. So into a griddle pan over a high heat or on the barbecue grill, I drizzle over some more extra virgin olive oil and then I place my salmon fillets down on the flesh side. Now, normally I wouldn't do this when cooking salmon, but I want the char grill marks. So flesh side first will avoid overcooking the salmon. Now the salmon will need 3 minutes on the flesh side. Don't move it at all, just leave it there. And then season the skin side with salt and then cook it on the other side for 3 minutes. Also drizzle over some extra virgin olive oil just to give it that sheen and to stop the salmon from drying out. And just before you take it out of the pan, hit it with some fresh lime juice. To serve, I usually have rice with this dish. You can leave it out completely if you wish, but the rice goes really well. If you want to take the dish up a few notches, then cook your rice in coconut milk for an even better summer tropical flavour. Place the salmon down and spoon over the salsa. Finish it off with fresh cilantro or coriander over the top of the rice and serve immediately. I cannot recommend this recipe enough. It's so amazing and one I hope you try out soon. If you love this recipe, please give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already for more tasty recipes, and as always, thank you so much for watching.